So you're a business owner and you want to grow your business, you want to get customers, you're just not quite sure where to do it. You've worked with agencies before, you've worked with freelancers from Fiverr and Upwork, you've tried it yourself and it's just so damn complicated. You don't know where to start. That's where we come in. Kaizen Marketing Agency was developed a decade ago after my family lost their restaurant during the '08 crash, '08, '09 crash. And I decided that I wanted to find how to help local based businesses that have $500, $600 in advertising spend that need to grow their company. My father lost his business not because he didn't know how to make a great plate of food or not how to give a great service, but simply because he didn't know how to acquire market share, represent himself in the market as a valuable long term service for the local customers. I have dedicated my life ever since we lost our home and lost our business to find a way to help out small spend clients, to find out how to take a client that's doing, say, $300,000 a year and bring them to 5.4 million in 2 years by simply using digital advertising. And why digital? Why not radio or billboards or flyers? Digital is trackable. You get real numbers, real success, real failures. You understand what works and what doesn't work. The problem is that most people like yourself that are business owners don't understand where to start or how to create even a common denominator in your advertising so you know what works and know what doesn't work. And you rely on other agencies that honestly give you cookie cutter structures on how to grow your business. That's not us. The name Kaizen resembles exactly who we want to be and what we do in our daily practice. Kaizen is a Japanese business term that talks about endless development in both personal and business. And that's what we want to represent. Our agency is focused on being employees internal to your company, not partners. You own the business, not us. We have a job. Our job is to bring you customers, and we want to do that for you. Now, you might say, well, do you work with restaurants or do you work with medical facilities or do you work with e-commerce businesses? We work with all of them. In the last decade, we have worked with e-commerce businesses, local mom and pop shops, people with $300 in ad spend and people with $30,000 in monthly ad spend to get them a positive return on their advertising dollars. And why did we do this? To make our lives difficult, truly, because if we took one vertical and just ran it like every other business, we would do what the other agencies do. And that's copy and paste the same exact structure over and over again to increase their profitability and to give you a small opportunity for success. But if it doesn't work for you, whatever, they'll just find the next client. I don't believe in that. I believe that there is a common denominator behind the success of every business, and that is the structure that you put together. Your messaging, your creative, and how your business looks and your unique selling propositions are unique to you as a business. But the tools and the systems that you're going to use to really develop your company and develop your business to the next level are the same that Nike and Walmart and Amazon are using today to grow their companies. So, what are those tools? How do you do it? And how do you break it down for your business so you can start off with small spend and scale accordingly and profitably? That's what we want to show you here at Kaizen. Kaizen is focused on doing everything they possibly can to acquire new customers for your business, bring those customers back time and time again to increase their lifetime value, and develop their own word of mouth so that they can bring in more and more customers and you become a cornerstone in your local community or in your vertical if you're doing digital based or e-commerce based sales. So how do we do this? We leverage Meta, Facebook and Instagram. Google, which includes YouTube advertising, Google Maps, Google Search, Google Shopping, and display ads across all of the different websites like Forbes, New York Times, Times Union, all of those websites. We do email marketing so that when you do grab a customer's contact information, you're able to follow up with them and develop an internal community that gets them to love your business or become a customer or increase their overall lifetime value. And then finally, we are a full stack media buying company. And what that means is that we have spent advertising dollars on every single type of company or every single type of platform. That includes TikTok, Snapchat, Instagram, Reddit, LinkedIn. We are a Hulu partner. We've tried them all, and some of them work and some of them don't work. Some of them work for some businesses, some of them don't work for others. Instead of you going through the painstaking process of learning how to do this and spending hundreds of thousands of dollars to find success, come here at Kaizen. We'll connect with you. We'll give you a free game plan of exactly what we do to find success for your business. And then it all depends. Do you want to put in the sweat equity to do it yourself, or do you want to pay us to get it done?